How to reset an Arlo base station. If your Arlo base station isn't working as expected and you need to reset it, the process is straightforward. First, locate the small recessed reset button on the back of the base station. It's usually labeled and easy to spot once you look closely. Grab a paperclip or any small pointed object and press and hold that reset button for about 10 seconds. While you're holding it, watch the LED light on the front of the base station. It will start flashing amber, which means the reset is in progress. When the light stops flashing amber, release the button. This signals that the reset is complete and your base station will automatically reboot. Once it's back on, open the Arlo Secure app or log into your account on mydarlo.com. Go to Settings, then My Devices, select the base station and choose Remove Device. Finally, follow the in-app instructions to re-add and set up your base station from scratch, just like you did when you first got it. This will ensure it's fully refreshed and ready to work with your Arlo cameras again.